And we cut across to breaking news coming in. ADG Jammu is currently in New Delhi to chair a meeting with the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sources say the meeting is over the security situation along the line of control and the international border after the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan. The possible impact and security situation in Jammu and Kashmir is likely to be discussed in this meeting. We're trying to pick up more details on this, and Gursimran is joining us live on the broadcast. Gursimran, what more can you share with us at this point?
See, not only ADG Jammu Mukesh Singh but also the Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police DGP Dilbag Singh is camping in national capital. He is at present in New Delhi, and a meeting in MHA is likely to start in a short while from now. The main things that will be discussed in the meeting is the security scenario that is developing along the international border as well as the line of the control, because we have seen that since the time Taliban has started approaching in Afghanistan, we have seen the heightened activity across the line of control as well as along the international border. There have been multiple attempts of pushing in terrorists from the Pakistani side to Indian territory, as well as sending weapons and drugs to Indian territory. So this is really a serious concern, and a possible impact of Taliban taking over the reins in Afghanistan will also be discussed, because there are some reports that suggest that Taliban takeover in Afghanistan is likely to deteriorate situation in Jammu and Kashmir, because Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba, they have been hand in glove with the Taliban, and they will now try to use the influence of Taliban in Jammu and Kashmir as well, and that may take the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir to a next level. And that is why, to counter any possible threat from the Taliban or Jaish-e-Mohammed or Pakistan-backed Lashkar-e-Toiba, this meeting is being chaired by the top officials of the MHA, in which Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police DGP Dilbag Singh and ADG Jammu Zone Mukesh Singh are taking part. Meeting is likely to start in a short while. So it is a crucial meeting that has come after Taliban taking over the reins in Afghanistan. Yes.